In this quick video guide, we're gonna introduce Picsart, which is a website or a web app where you can actually create simple, fast and easy and cheap, and also if you want totally free graphic design projects. So if you just go in Google, just you can search for Picsart, you can get there in the first result. You can access again freely. You just need to create an account with the Facebook or Gmail or with the email, and you can just start. So this is the dashboard right here. You can see all the sections on the top. Now this is in Italian, but I will change it in English shortly. But it's really simple. So you have like sections for automated tools, and you have products for web, for photo, for video. So you can create many different types of projects for printed design or digital design or multimedia design, social media, marketing, advertising, and also the classic flyers and brochures and things like that. So you can go there and look whatever you want to do. You can just investigate a little bit, and you have also a lot of templates. Now in this video I'm just going to show you real quick how to use a template, how to open it up, and how to quickly manage it and change it and then export it. So we can just select one of these and click on edit. This will bring us inside the editor. So this is where everything happens. So where you can edit your pictures, your graphic, your vector graphics also. You can insert pictures, you can insert texts, you can upload from your computer, you can drag and drop, you can just click and insert here many different type of graphic elements like backgrounds or pictures or like vector graphics again. So if you're interested, you can subscribe and we're gonna make more. Now down there in the settings, I changed this into English, so you can see now the interface is in English. So you have the settings tools right down at the bottom right, and so you can see now you have the toolbar there on the left. We have this section here where we can upload stuff from our computer, and we can just drag and drop and then adjust it, manage all the different part of the projects. So again, this is going to be a quick video guide, but if you're interested, if you join the channel as a supporter, if you support us, we can create more and more. We can create an entire video course dedicated to Picsart, and in our channel you will find also already other video courses to similar web apps like Canva or Picsart. There you go. Then you have the export at the top right, and you can choose to export an image or an MP4, so a video, depending on what you want to create. So it's really easy. This is not the premium version. You also have a premium version which has more tools and more features that you can use to create your projects. So you can use the free version. It's going to be fine if you need to do most of the things, but if you want to upgrade, you can do it. It's not expensive, and this could be like also an alternative to GIMP or Photoshop or any other downloadable software. So it's good because it's free, it's fast, it's easy. You don't need to download and install anything. You have a lot of templates to start with and a lot of sources. So this will be all for this video guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next